clouds.
Videoing.
Well, we're out of the roof part right now. Hopefully the car stays started. I love you, Kevin. Love you, Dustin, Justin, and Abby.
This is going on your Facebook. Hope you know that.
No, because the car is acting funny again. Come on, baby. We're almost there. We're almost home. Come on.
I got a picture of y'all. Of you. Now I got proof that you was going over the speed limit.
Come on, baby. We're almost home, baby. Make it home, please, please, please.
I'm trying to get lightning.
Well, you get it when we get home.
Gotcha.
What's burning?